Let's go through what I took with me on my travels. This little makeup bag is from Amazon. Every trip I have to take a beauty blender. This is always an essential. As far as brushes go, we have a foundation, powder, and blush brush from MORPHE. This is their new line. I have a concealer brush from BK Beauty. This is what I set my under eyes with, and this is from BPERFECT with Stacey Marie. I also have 2 of her eyeshadow brushes over here, and then 1 from Sigma. For sun care, we have this SPF 50 from Korea by BIOHEAL. This is amazing for hydrating. For primer, I took the Too Faced face primer. This also gives a lot of hydration. For just skincare, I took the IDEWCARE hyaluronic acid moisturizer. I absolutely love this Mims skincare. This is amazing if you want a light tint with SPF. For added hydration underneath my eyes and for my skin, I took the PIXI Rose Essence Oil. Foundation, we have the Maybelline Superstay and then the Bobbie Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Powders, we have the OG Studio Fix MAC powder. I absolutely love this. I haven't tried the new one. We also have the Light Plus Mineralized. I love this for setting all over the face. As a finishing powder, this is a must-have. This is the Ambient Lighting Powder from Hourglass in Dim Light. This is just beautiful in pictures. You need this in your life. And then to set the under eyes, the Easy Bacon Snatch in Peach by Huda Beauty. I set my under eyes with this. For blush, I took this gorgeous shade from Lawless. This is Angel, and this just kind of goes with any kind of eye look. It's a beautiful muted mauve color. Also, the CIATE London Glow 2 blush in First Date. I absolutely love this to top off any blush. And my OG Benefit Hoola bronzer to bronze up the face. As far as eyeshadow palettes, I took the Lottie London. This is very affordable, drugstore, and beautiful on the eyes, as well as the Formless Beauty by Jenny McCarthy. This is absolutely beautiful, a perfect quad that kind of just goes with everything. For under eye, we have the PIXI Vitamin C Under Eye Brightener, the Rock Balm, the YSL Concealer, as well as the Tower 28. Brow products, the Precisely My Brow Wax and My Brow Pencil are my staples. Eyeliner, only one, the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl is a must. I'm super impressed with this new mascara from MILANI. It's a 2B mascara and it's called Highly Rated. Benefit High Beam for the highlighter. For lips, we have the Faux Filler from Huda Beauty, and then the Lawless in Nudie is a must. I use this before, during, and after makeup. I love this Milk Hydro Refresh Spray. Don't want my makeup to move and I'm going to be up late. I use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray.